Now I will talk about basic algebra. You see that a basic algebra is written here. Here variable a, b and c is added, then e is subtracted from d, then the two results are added to each other. Now here a, b, c, d and e all are called variables because its values can be changed. For example, value of a can be 1 or 10 or 4, or it can be 23.5. Similarly, for other variables, any value can be there. So as the value can be changed or changeable, so it's called variable. So here are 5 variables, and where values can be changed, those are called variables, and where values cannot be changed, those are called constants. Now we'll see similar things in the programming. I am creating a new folder for a new project, and now I am opening Visual Studio Code. Now I am in project 2. I've created a new file called demo.py. Now I am creating 3 variables a, b and c and assigning various numbers in those variables. Now we have 3 variables, a equals to 10, b equals to 4 and c equals to 5. Now if we print the addition of 3 variables, what will happen? The addition will be outputted to the terminal. Now I am saving the file and running Python. I see that the result is 19. 10 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 19. Now I am creating another print where I will type a plus b minus c. What will happen? Now I see that two print commands, one printed 19 and another printed 9. So a plus b equals to 14 minus 5 equals to 9. So we can do basic algebraic operation in programming. We can add variables, subtract variables, multiply variables, and divide by variables. Like if we like to multiply b and c, what happens? In programming, multiplication is written by star sign. It's not a cross that is actual multiplication sign. It's the star sign from the keyboard is used for multiplication in programming. So if we run now, what happens? Let's see. Here we see that the result is 20. So 4 into 5 is equals to 20. Now we will divide B by C. Let's see what happens. It says 0.8. So 4 divided by 5 is equals to 0.8. Now that we see that we can do basic addition, subtractions, and multiplications. Now let's go to the algebraic equations. Suppose that there is a equation where hierarchy is used, like there are second brackets and minus b minus c, and there are third brackets. In algebraic notation, this second bracket, third bracket, first bracket, these brackets are used, uh, and other brackets are used. But in programming, the first, second, and third brackets, all brackets are will be the first bracket, that is the parenthesis, like this. So this equation will be like this. Now I am writing the equation. So like this, all second bracket and the all square brackets, braces are converted to parentheses. So this is a simple equation. I have copied the equation, and now I am going to the Python program, and I have pasted the equation. Here two variable is not assigned yet, so I am assigning d equals to 3 and e equals to 2. Now I need to print this equation. Now I am running Python. You see that result is 21. So this operation is done. First, second, this operation is done, and those two operations are added. Then this operation is done. Then this minus this operation is done. The sequence is like this. So we can add, subtract, divide by divide and multiply, all the arithmetic operations we can do. Now let's see, we can do with the to the power or power square operation, or like the power of 2 power of 3 operation. So to simply do a square of a, we can type a multiplied by a, and now we're running the terminal. See, a is 10, so 10 square, that is 10 multiplied by 10 is 100. When we make it cube, we can write a multiplied by a multiplied by a. That is, when you run the terminal, that is, the result is 1000. Now there is another operation that is used in programming, that is the modulus operation. That is the remainder of the division. Suppose that A is 20, 21, and B is 4. So if we divide 21 by 4, we have, what will be remaining? 4 into 5 equals to 20. So remaining will be 1. Remainder will be 1. So A, the symbol is percent sign, A percent B. Now I am running in terminal. I can see a 1 printed. That is the percent. That is the remainder of A divided by B. If I print A divided by B, what is the result? If I print A divided by B, it becomes 5.25. If I print A percent B, that is A modulus B, mod operation, that is the called mod operation, then the remainder will be returned. That is the 2, that is 1. So we are able to do basic algebraic operation using Python. We have other ways to do squares or uh, power to the power using other functions. We should be able to do it if we want later. So this concludes the part of variables and constants and algebraic notation of programming.